Welcome everyone, Mike with Bowers Barbecue coming to you today again from my backyard. Now a couple of weeks ago I did a video on my thoughts on the Recteq Bullseye. I mentioned I had some issues and they were going to send me a new one. Well, they did just that. So today we're going to do the first low and slow cook on it and see how it does. Before we do that, we're going to start the fire. Okay, so I chose ribs for this video for two reasons. One, I've never done ribs on the Bullseye. I want to see how they turn out. And two, the guys over at Pit Patriots sent me this rub. It's their All American rub. Got a little bit of garlic powder, brown sugar, chili powder. I think it'll be good on ribs, so we're going to give it a shot. All right, so go ahead and season this up. Got a little bit of olive oil on here for a binder. Rub that in there pretty good. And let's go ahead and season this up pretty liberally. Now, I normally cook spares, but honestly, I could not find any, so we're going to do these baby backs. I'm sure the baby backs will be fine. Pit Patriots did also send me some barbecue sauce that, according to their website, pairs very well with this seasoning. So we're going to try that towards the end of the cook. I'll show you all that later on. All right, that's seasoned up pretty good. We're gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes and let the Bullseye come to temp. All right, so that seasoning drew out some of the moisture of these ribs. Let's get them on the Recteq. All right, so the Recteq is up to temp. Guess what? It only took 15 minutes. It didn't take 45 minutes. Even Jack is impressed. Look at him. Jack, you're impressed, aren't you? That's what I thought. All right, let's get these ribs on. Okay, we're gonna be cooking these ribs on the low setting, which will put the temperature about 180. We'll do that for 3 hours, then we'll come up and wrap and bump the temp up. See you in 3 hours. Okay, so a little change in plan. I had originally planned to cook this at the low setting, which cooks at 200 for the first 3 hours. I'm still going to do that because that gives it the most smoke flavor, cooking it low and slow. But I'm also going to spritz, which I originally did not plan to do. So we're 1 hour into this cook. I'm going to spritz for the first time. Color's looking pretty good. I don't know if you can see that moisture there. Coming along pretty nicely. We're just spritzing here with plain old water. I like that color. All right, so the ribs are spritzed, and now's a good time to go ahead and hit that like button. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Also, if you're on Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you can find me at Bowers Barbecue. I post cooks there throughout the week that I don't always film here. So go ahead and give that a big like as well. And we'll see you when these ribs are ready to wrap. It's been 3 hours. I think Jack smells the ribs. Let's take a look. Oh, these are looking awesome. All right, let's wrap these ribs. I'm not gonna do anything besides spray a little bit of the water here. Then we're gonna put a little bit more rub down. Not much at all. Normally I would do butter and honey, but not on these ribs. Look at that pretty color. Absolutely love it. All right, let's get these back on the Recteq. All right, let's get these ribs on. We're gonna put them meat side down. I'm gonna check on it every hour. You know, sometimes that 3-2-1 overcooks your ribs. So I'll probably check on these in about 1 hour. I'm also gonna up the temperature. We're gonna go from low to 225. All right, it's been an hour. Let's take a look at these ribs. looking pretty good. Has some pullback, nice and tender. I say these things are done. I'm gonna let this set for a little bit, and then we're gonna sauce these after they're done cooking. I like this a lot. Certainly this undone, about 10 minutes. All right, so while the ribs are finishing up, we're gonna get the sauce together. This is the sauce that the Pit Patriots sent me. It's a really good sauce. I like it on its own, but be a little sweeter. My family likes a little sweetness on the ribs. So we're gonna doctor this up a little bit. Pour a little bit of sauce in here. And not much, just a little bit of honey. We're gonna mix this up and put it on the smoker with the ribs. I'll be back when the ribs are done. All right, so the ribs have been resting for about 10-15 minutes. Look pretty good. Good color, no sauce on there. Let's go ahead and slice them up, take a bite. All right, so ribs are sliced up. We're gonna pour a little bit of that Pit Patriots barbecue sauce, a little bit of honey in there. Just on top like that. Now the taste test. This one looks pretty good. Going for another bite. All right, my taste tester wants a bite. You like it?
Best first you've made.
Is it really? These are pretty good ribs. I like this sauce. It's not too overpowering. It's got a good sweet flavor to it. The rubs really nice. It's a successful cook on the Bullseye. Good smoky flavor. Again, starting off with low temperature is key on getting the smoke profile you want on a pellet grill. Pretty good stuff. So this is the first time a company has sent me some rubs, and it's been successful. I really appreciate them doing that. They did offer a discount code for my subscribers, or anybody watching the video for that matter. If you put in BOW BBQ, that's BOW BBQ, they'll give you 20% off on your first order. All right, we're gonna dig into these ribs. So that was a fun cook. The Bullseye performed very well. I'm happy with it so far. Hopefully this new one has all the bugs worked out and I don't have to worry about it anymore. That would make it an incredible grill. Again, a big thank you to Pit Patriots for send me these rubs. I really enjoyed them. Be sure to check them out if you're interested. Again, the sauce was nice and smoky. A little bit of honey added to it, made it a little smoky and sweet, which we really enjoyed for dinner. The rub itself wasn't overpowering, more like a seasonal, if I had to describe it as anything. We really enjoyed our meal. So again, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and you'll have a great day. The fire is out.